Paalamenti eregula alipoota ebadeeteddwa akakiiko ak'ebyenjigiriza ku kwongeza ebisale mu masomero. Kino kidiridde amyuka ssentebe Katibat Abigaba bw'atuuse okusoma alipoota ng'essira etadde ku masomero gokka agali mu kibuga Kampala olwo ebitundu ebirala nga alipoota tebikwatako.
During the interaction of the committee with the school administration, the committee was informed that out of the 6 selected schools that applied for approval of the school fees increment, only Chibuli Secondary School had obtained the ministry's approval.
Abaka ba Paalamenti ab'enjawulo ate basaze okugenda alipoota y'obwannamunigini badde esomedde omubaka omukyalo ow'ekatikamu Brenda Nabukenya nga bagamba nti yebadde mwaka negguusa.
It is cheaper to take your child to study medicine, pharmacy and engineering in Makerere than to take them to a secondary school to study history, economics and general paper.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I want to pray that this Parliament rejects the proposal by the committee to increase funding to grant-aided schools, right, Honorable Speaker. If government can put in money and you still charge more,
as they sample out these schools, we should recall that a district like Kwakiso has some other non-mentioned schools here, which are in the islands like Wusi. We are having Masurita. Also, such should be sampled to really understand. We should include everyone for quality education. I want to reject this report, right, Honorable Speaker.
Kuraso TV, Nze Grace Girinya, ne Eric Sebalamu, Omunyo.